bago tayo magbenta ng mga produkto natin, we need to check how to set up our own website. The beauty of Upsell is hindi mo kailangan maging IT wizard to create your own website. Like we promised, it's a drag and drop, build your own platform. Okay, so let's go here and click edit to view your website. Let's navigate kung ano yung website natin right now. So this is a pre-built theme or template. Marami kang pagpipilian, but let's just navigate through it for this video. Tingnan natin, this is your homepage. Ito yung unang makikita ng mga tao pag binisita nila yung website mo. So, I'm just gonna go back here. As you can see, ito yung mga available themes mo, but I need to show you something. If you want people to see your website, you just copy this. You can also click this arrow here and then copy this link and then share mo sa mga kakilala mo or sa mga target customers mo. Tell them, hey, I have my own website. Here's the name of the store. Remember from our previous video where I set up the name of the store in the settings, and you can show everything sa mga target audience mo kung anong binebenta mo. The beauty of this is marami kang pwedeng gawin sa isang website. Now, going back, let's go here again, edit. So, titingnan natin yung interface natin. This is where you actually change stuff and edit. But I need you to focus here and you can see the different available right from the get-go agad. Available na agad yan because they're pre-built. And you can fine-tune them. You can add as many pages as you want or as not as many pages. So, tingnan natin. If we click on shop, so dito makikita lahat ng mga products na binebenta mo. And if you go to the About Us, that's a very important section ng store mo at ng website mo because people will know who you are. Dito mo pwedeng i-edit and we'll go on the editing in another video. Let's just navigate through contact page. So as you can see, ginawa na lahat para sa iyo, especially sa mga tao hindi marunong gumawa ng website. This is a game changer if you are going to sell online. Of course, your terms and conditions because that's important for your customers to know that yung mga ano bang nasa website mo na dapat sundin and the privacy policy kung ano yung mga uh, paggagamit sa mga data ng mga users mo. This area here naman, these icons here, ito yung kung makikita mo kung anong itsura ng website mo when you're using a desktop and a mobile device. So alam na alam mo kung ano yung itsura ng mga design mo pag nasa mobile phone without watching an actual mobile phone. So balik mo lang dito and as you can see, nag-change yung template natin sumusunod if it's in a mobile or if it's in a desktop. It's very easy to create your own website using Upsell and hopefully I'll be seeing you in the next videos to help you set up your own store.